Home offices and gaming room setups have become an extremely important space in our homes today. For many families, finding durable, comfortable, and affordable furnishings have become a priority. And today on Designing Spaces, we're going to show you how to set up the perfect home office and gaming space.
Hi, we're the Greenbergs. I'm Scott. This is my wife Lynn, our son Andrew. When the world changed, we all got thrust together, spending so much time at home, forced to work from home, sitting at my desk all day. My back started to hurt, my shoulders were really tense. So I contacted Designing Spaces because we really need some help.
So many people are working from home, whether it's just a few days per week or full time. And unfortunately, most of them, they set up a quick office space with the first piece of furniture they could get their hands on without taking into consideration quality, how it would look in their homes, or proper furniture ergonomics. So today, my mission is to help the Greenberg family. They're gonna get the perfect home office and gaming furniture. Let's go say hello.
Hey guys, look who's at the front door.
Hey!
Hi.
How are you?
Thanks for coming.
Are you kidding? Thanks for having me. I am so excited. So much to do. But first, let me talk about just when did the whole office have to come to the home start? Scott?
Oh, about a year and a half ago, we were forced really quickly to kind of move everything from the office into a home office. And
So tell me about the office and what's bothering you about it,
It's small, it's cramped. The desk, it's not meant to be worked out all day. The chair that we just grabbed, not good for my, for my posture. My back hurts at the end of the day.
Completely understand.
Yeah, we really need to change it up.
And Andrew, I also was looking at some pictures here that your parents sent me, the gaming room. That's...
Yeah, I mean, definitely, like, my desk and my mouse pad are way too small. I can't do what I need to do.
Okay, so I'm hearing it, I'm seeing it here with these pictures. So with the help of Designing Spaces and some folks from HNI, we delivered some boxes here with great furniture. Have you seen them?
Sure.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
easy to assemble and you're going to love it. HNI and their family of brands offers a broad collection of workplace furnishing solutions through their Han Basics line and their Respawn gaming products. They are literally changing the game. So let's go and check how the Greenberg family is doing. Scott, this looks so great.
Doesn't it?
Yes, how was the assembly?
Oh, it was easy, it was a snap.
Okay, so I want to tell you why I chose this table for you. So Scott, with this sit-to-stand desk, the push of a button lets you reinvent your workspace from sit to stand. The Han Basics commercial-grade 48-inch wide single-motor electric height adjustable desk takes you from a seated 28-inch high to a standing height desk of 47 inches high. Now, you can't have a table without a chair. I want you to check this out, sit right there, and tell me what you think.
This is awesome.
Isn't it great?
It's awesome.
Let me tell you about it. So this is the Han Basics commercial grade Hive designer task chair. It features built-in lumbar support, height and width adjustable arms. With its tilt controls and pneumatic height adjustment, this office chair delivers comfort and functionality. So I'm really happy with the office. How about you?
Absolutely.
Did you finish assembling the gaming room?
I did.
Okay, let me go see it.
Great.
Let's do it. Andrew, look at you. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Thank you.
And the chair, out of this world.
Amazing. I mean, I love the colors. It's super comfortable.
The Respawn 200 mesh back gaming chair features an innovative mesh backing with a bonded leather seat. Now, it helps you keep cool, which is great, with maximum breathability. The tilt and lift controls are right under the seat, right there. And one of the most important things is the lumbar support. Its ergonomic design prevents body aches, which is exactly what we want. Another great, amazing thing, touch this desk. Touch it.
Wow, this is cool.
This desk is amazing. I mean,
love
the whole
this.
thing's a mouse pad.
It is. The entire thing is a mouse pad. And this desk, Andrew, is limitless. This unique gaming desk surface is completely covered by a 5mm thick mouse pad that will stay in place while you game. The T-legs provide stability, and the adjustable leveling glides assist with any uneven flooring issues. Okay, so my job is done. Dad, come on in. I know you're out there. Let's wrap it all up. I am so happy because I see you happy. I just want to know, are you happy?
Definitely. Thank you for upgrading my setup.
Anytime. To find out more about HNI and its global family of industry-leading brands for home furniture, visit hanbasics.com, respawnproducts.com, and of course our website, designingspaces.tv.